In today's challenging landscape, social housing providers face increasing pressures, from tighter budgets and stretched call centres to rising complaints and missed repair SLAs. At Mobysoft, we are here to help. Our RepairSense platform is transforming how housing providers manage repairs, reduce inefficiencies, and improve tenant satisfaction. Each year, over £7.7 billion is spent on home repairs, with a significant portion addressing repeat issues rather than tackling root causes. Inefficiencies like missed appointments, failure to fix first time, and manual processes lead to avoidable costs and dissatisfied tenants. RepairSense is here to help, however. Our AI-powered platform analyses repairs and maintenance data, uncovering hidden inefficiencies, reducing avoidable repair visits, and improving resource allocation. By examining over 7 million jobs and leveraging AI models trained on more than 300,000 labelled repair cases, RepairSense identifies problematic repairs jobs, enabling better decision-making. Within RepairSense, our damp and mould module specifically addresses one of the most urgent issues facing social housing today. Damp and mould doesn't just affect homes, they impact tenant health, housing quality, and legal compliance. The module identifies all cases of damp and mould, prioritises them by severity, and flags jobs that fall out of due process, with a comprehensive audit trail and history for each property. RepairSense ensures nothing's overlooked, helping landlords meet tenant satisfaction measures and comply with regulations such as AWAB's law. RepairSense doesn't just track existing issues. It leverages AI to predict unreported problems and provides actionable insights tailored to your operations. The platform maps to sector processes, ensuring compliance with evolving standards. For example, if a job isn't resolved after the first visit, RepairSense flags it for follow-up action. Once resolved, the platform closes the case seamlessly, maintaining accurate records every step of the way. With RepairSense, you can significantly reduce repair costs, improve tenant satisfaction, and enhance safety and well-being. By tackling inefficiencies and ensuring compliance, the platform helps prevent costly disrepair claims, which can reach up to £10,000 per case. RepairSense supports better resource allocation, reduces complaints, and ensures your team can focus on delivering quality repairs faster and more effectively. RepairSense is more than just a tool. It's a partner in transforming how social housing providers deliver repair services for the ultimate goal of improving tenants' lives.